Hey Mike, we got a brand new DuraWear product here from Precision Planting. This is the DuraWear Depth Handle, and for the first time ever, we're going to go ahead and get it installed and see how the installation goes in the calibration. So, what's the first step to getting this installed?
So the first step is we're going to want to remove the snap ring on the load cell in this case, right here.
Then we can pull the load cell out this other side. And that's going to free up the depth handle. I'm also going to remove this gauge wheel. You mind handing me that ratchet?
You got it.
There you go. It's all yours.
Got it.
I should be able to pull that assembly down through. And we remove this. That mustache is going to be used on the new piece. We've got this guard that comes out of there. This is all set to go. We'll disassemble this for the assembly process. And this should be tightened precisely to the appropriate torque. And then this guard is replaced right back in there. And then this assembly just goes right up through, taking the place of the original. This will be retightened in its original position and the snap ring reinstalled. And then this is placed on the top and tightened appropriately. Now that gives us a much finer adjustment and the ability to calibrate, but that gives us a lot of different options in between two different slots on the assembly. Now that we've got the installation complete, it's time to do our calibration. We put our second seat under the row unit, and I'm going to set this in its deepest possible position, and I'm going to have him lower the planter down onto the unit. Now that we've lowered that down on the blocks, I can pull this up into what my main position is going to be the whole way across the planter. And then I can make this adjustment, put that right snug up against the top, tighten down this set nut, and now we've calibrated this so that every row of the planter is going to be in the same T-handle position at the calibrated depth.